Hey guys, it's Dr. Dodini from Calibrate ADHD. You might have heard this term rejection sensitive dysphoria out there on TikTok and Instagram. As a clinical psychologist and an ADHD expert, one of my goals in the treatment that we provide and the assessment we do and the public service announcements we give is to help people understand that rejection sensitive dysphoria is very real, and it is one of the most pernicious common symptoms of ADHD. It affects how we view ourselves, how we think others view us. In a short form, what rejection sensitivity dysphoria is a profound sensitivity to criticisms, rejections, judgments, fear of failure, fear that you're going to be disappointed or disappoint. Often for adults who've never been diagnosed with ADHD, they've been getting diagnosed as depressed and anxious their whole lives, probably because they have a high IQ, they work really hard, they've done well in school, they do well in work. But if you're like many of us, you're also exhausted by the internal struggle to just stay connected to the idea that we're not crazy. In fact, the vast majority of folks who have ADHD report this rejection sensitivity component. Women in particular, women with high IQs, high work ethics, they very often getting misdiagnosed as depressed and anxious when in fact we're dealing with untreated ADHD. Very often it's that RSD component. So I'm on a mission to help people understand that they don't feel like garbage because they're depressed and anxious and everybody hates them. It's very possible that you've been dealing with untreated ADHD for much of your life. Come to calibrateadhd.com. We'll help you get diagnosed. We'll give you some answers. We'll get the right diagnosis and the right treatment to get you on track and get you where you want to be going. Killer life, thriving with this killer awesome brain you have. Thanks. Take care.